How to play Warzone on Nintendo Switch. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll explain how you can play Call of Duty Warzone on your Nintendo Switch. Method 1. Use Xbox Cloud Gaming, Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Make sure you have an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. On your Nintendo Switch browser or via apps like Rainway, open Xbox Cloud Gaming. Search for Call of Duty Warzone. Start streaming and play directly on your Switch. Method 2. Use Remote Play from PC or console. Install Call of Duty Warzone on your PC or Xbox/PlayStation. Use Remote Desktop or game streaming apps like Rainway or Steam Link on your Switch. Stream the game from your PC or console to your Switch. But make sure you have a fast and stable internet connection for smooth gameplay. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tutorials.